Highly trained, dedicated, concerned people. These are today's pharmacists, people who care. These are today's professionals in pharmacy whose time is too often involved in tedious but necessary clerical work. The kind of work that keeps a pharmacy operating, but which can dull the enthusiasm and limit the potential contribution of the dedicated pharmacist. But now there's a bright new alternative, computerization, with the Travenol pharmacy system.
We're in the process of implementing the IV admixture program in this hospital and are taking on about 60 to 70% of all the IVs here, and I can't anticipate that we could take on any more without the implementation of a computer system.
The TPS 2000 Travenol pharmacy system computer. What happens here has happened here first, at the Travenol Systems Division near Chicago, Illinois. Here, Travenol computer experts envisioned a new era in healthcare delivery, an era that would concentrate on productivity and cost effectiveness. And here was born a new concept in microcomputer application, the Travenol pharmacy system. Development of the TPS 2000 reflects Travenol's commitment to full utilization of computer technology in healthcare delivery because of the obvious cost, accuracy, and time-saving advantages.
Productivity actually can get measured two different ways. One is either to reduce the amount of clerical effort required to maintain the records that are maintained, that must be maintained, as well as freeing up some of this labor to perform other tasks, other duties, other pharmacy activities that really need to be done. In other words, we all face this problem of not having enough time to do all the things that we want to do. So the pharmacy system that was developed by Travenol not only eliminates some of the clerical effort, but also makes available some more man-hours such that other pharmacy activities, other pharmacy practices can be incorporated.
The Travenol pharmacy system, TPS 2000, offers control of all pharmacy functions, including IV solution orders. The TPS 2000 provides an instant review of all the orders for any patient. It permits easy additions to or adjustments of those orders. It performs the critical task of monitoring dosages and rates to reduce medication errors. And it provides hard copy printouts in seconds of any patient IV order profile. The TPS 2000 also handles medication orders. The pharmacist can instantly review the orders for any patient, get a list of drugs, dosage frequency, and start and stop dates. The computer provides medication administration times to reduce the possibility of errors, and it allows a visual review or a hard copy printout. Patient profiles and medication history are yet another TPS 2000 function. The pharmacist has up to 60 categories for patient description. Information can be retrieved according to patient name or by any individual patient characteristic. And the system allows instant review of any patient's complete medication history. Drug interaction is a serious consideration for any pharmacist. The TPS 2000 warns of potential interactions and incompatibilities between drugs to prevent simultaneous administration. It helps prevent medication errors or accidental administration of incompatible drugs. This is especially important for patients who are being treated for multiple diagnoses. But because of the system's flexibility, each pharmacy may adjust the interaction and severity limit screening to accommodate its particular needs. One of the most appreciated functions of the TPS 2000 is the automatic label printing function. It provides a label for each IV solution or any other medication. It eliminates the drudgery of typing each label by hand. Typographical errors are reduced, and the overall IV workload is more evenly distributed. This means significant savings through cost-effective scheduling of pharmacy operations. Pharmacy billing control is a primary function provided by the TPS 2000. Because of its compatibility with other computers, including admissions and billing systems, The Travenol pharmacy computer system turns the pharmacy into an integral part of the flow of information in today's hospital infrastructure. The TPS 2000 computer automatically bills patients' accounts for all medications and IV solutions that were administered during their hospital stay. Accurate charge capture is assured. It provides the patient with itemized pharmacy charges and assists in expediting third-party payment. And it provides an easy update of pricing information. The Travenol pharmacy system dramatically reduces lost charges and, in turn, greatly enhances pharmacy revenue. The Travenol pharmacy system assists physicians and nurses by reducing their workload. Automatic stop order dating may be applied to both IVs and medications. Patient orders requiring renewal are listed daily by the TPS 2000. Hence, a reduction in medication errors. The TPS 2000 aids in the pharmacy admixture process by permitting CRT display of all scheduled IV solutions, admixtures, and total parenteral nutrition solutions. Efficient scheduling of pharmacy preparation procedures is a valuable benefit. This again reduces the possibility of error. Common or specialized TPN formulations can be prepared, labeled, and dispensed in minutes. The Travenol pharmacy system allows pharmacists to spend more time doing what they do best, practicing pharmacy. The Travenol TPS 2000 computer's contributions to inventory control are obvious. Up-to-date records mean efficient use of pharmacy space, something that's becoming all too scarce these days. Routine drug utilization review analyses are now practical to perform. Only seconds are required to request a patient by service, by diagnosis, or by any pharmacy-determined parameter. And those all-important management reports are prepared based on the criteria the pharmacist selects, rather than receiving data in a predetermined format. This establishes the pharmacy as a vital source of coordinated information for the entire hospital, from pharmacy to nursing services to the medical staff. The plain English access feature of the TPS 2000 is a major convenience. Just ask for what you need. No special computer languages or programming skills are required. The Travenol TPS 2000 responds to your specific questions with custom reports. Since its introduction, the Travenol pharmacy system has been warmly received by large and small hospital pharmacy operations. At the 550-bed Butterworth Hospital in Grand Rapids, Michigan, the TPS 2000 has meant significant increases in productivity to Chief Pharmacist Ivan Bourne.
It's really incredible that in the past we managed to function without any sort of mechanical support, if you want to put it that way, of keeping track of the data that we're dealing with. It's, just to look at the patient profiles that are generated by the IV system is pretty, it's almost awe-inspiring. It's so huge, the amount of material data that's there in that package of profiles. And in the old days, we did that on a manual basis, and now it's all neatly tabulated and spit out.
Smaller hospitals, too, find Travenol's versatile pharmacy computer system to be a major contributing factor in cost-effective pharmacy management. At the 77-bed community hospital in Tallahassee, Alabama, near Montgomery, Barry Brewer, coordinator of pharmacy services, gives his perspective.
This system has allowed us to not worry about the paperwork nearly as much as we did in the past. It allows me to perform more professional duties, such as monitoring patient charts, speaking to physicians concerning drug therapy, this sort of thing. Before, it was just we're slowly sinking in the amount of paperwork. And as a pharmacist, I feel like that this is the step to go in hospitals due to the paperwork.
State-of-the-art microprocessor hardware. A pharmacy's software package created by Travenol, a leader in the medical field, dedicated to your specific needs. The TPS 2000 is cost-effective because of increased productivity in a number of previously labor-intensive areas. Increased productivity means savings, which will quickly pay for the pharmacy system. The TPS 1500 or the TPS 1000 are offered as economical entry-level systems. They will provide information and record-keeping for IV operations or medication distribution, but can easily be upgraded later on. Travenol Systems Division, giving the pharmacist two of the things needed the most in today's hospital environment: time and information, so that today's pharmacists can be all they can be.